According to Mr. Robeson, what characteristic does Alexander have that Kevin does not? A. Alexander has the right attitude. B. Alexander has a better schedule for coming to practice. C. Alexander was brave enough to try out. Or D. Alexander didn't want to be a soloist. We find this brought up in the last paragraph, which I have posted here. When Alexander asks Mr. Robeson why Kevin didn't make it into the choir, Mr. Robeson responds that talent alone is not enough. We were looking for boys who seemed to have the right voice and attitude to be part of a choir. Mr. Robeson says they're looking for boys with the right voice, but the text shows us Kevin does have a nice voice. Therefore, it can't just be this. The sentence goes on to tell us he's also looking for boys with the right attitude. Because Alexander made it into the choir, we can infer that this is, at least in part, because Alexander has the right attitude. Therefore, we can mark A, Alexander has the right attitude, as our final answer.